Hello, I'm Thiago, and I'll start doing the first assignment for digital forensics. So the first task is to create a notepad file with the student number, open with WinHex and change it with the move title and then delete it. So let's go for it. I already created a text file here with my student number. So I'll open it with WinHex. I'll open text file document. So here, Avengers, as you can see, all the other attributes here will change according to whatever's in there. Avengers, if I put number 2, it's gonna change it. Yep, file, save, yes, and then that will be changed here. So, and then you have to delete it. Yes, I want to delete. Second task is to research anti-forensic techniques. So this is my research. I've done a few here. Deleting files, steganography, misdirection of a file, hiding documents, and encryption are mine. So I will demonstrate as it is the next task. Implement 5 anti-forensic techniques. So the first one that we'll do is deleting files that I just did. As you can see, I can recover the file that I just deleted. See, restore, and it's going to be there again, right? There's a few softwares that can remove it from your hard drive, but I'm going to use a Windows default shortcut key. So if you press Shift and delete, so that's the difference. If I press just delete, it's going to say, you want to move it to the recycle bin, yes or no. It's going to be on the recycle bin and you can recover after. But if you press Shift and delete, it's going to ask you if you permanently want to delete the file. So if you press yes and press it on the recycle bin, it won't be there anymore. There's a few other tools to do that, but that is the default for Windows. The next one is steganography. It consists in hiding messages within another files. So I'm gonna use this GIF to hide a message on it. We'll open with WinHex. So open GIF. Unfortunately, I cannot save it, but because it's too big for saving, because I'm on the evaluation form, but I can demonstrate it. Oh, okay, no, doesn't matter. So as you can see, it is all coded here because it's a GIF image, but GIF images got a lot of blank space at the end usually, at least in hands. Whatever here, when it's all this F, it's all blank space that you can hide some information on it. So I can write here, secret message for John. Oops, John. Give me this thing. There you go. There's my secret message. Unfortunately, I cannot save, but I might try to edit with. I'll close this. No. If I try to open with where is it? Notepad. So let's search. Problem is with Notepad, nothing is like really clear where it is stuff. But if I had saved that message, I could have just typed here John, secret message for John, and I could find here, but in the middle of the mess. Why? So all this symbol here means it's a blank space on the memory, on the composition of the file. So this is the blank space where I can hide information if I want it. See, there's a few, especially on GIF images, there's blocks of it, extense blocks of it, so you usually can hide messages over there. Right, so moving on. The next one is misdirection of a file. Misdirection of a file is quite simple. It consists in renaming, try to hide the file, doc, yes. If I try to open, that's going to be oh, good to know. Let me try to begin bitmap. No, bitmap is gonna PowerPoint maybe. Let me just, there we go. So as you can see, even the icon changes, but I'm not sure if it's going to open. See, because I changed the file extension, it's not going to open with the proper software to read it, so the person cannot see it, doing a misdirection of the file. The only way is to renaming it, or if I want to open with the proper software, if I can. But anyway, the person who is investigating would have to know which file it is to open. See? Let's see. So if I just put it back, okay. Yes, there we go. It's back to normal. The first technique is to hide a document. By default, Windows have this tool here to hide files. See, view hidden files. So this is mostly to hide system files, to avoid the user to modify it. The files that can change the way that Windows access it, so they implemented this stuff here. Same on Linux, they have this functionality. You just can see it if you actually go here and click on hidden items, so you can see it. You can change it here. So in general, read only, you cannot modify it, or just hidden, so apply it. Right? Encryption. There's heaps of software that can encrypt a file, but again, I'll use the one provided by Microsoft. Here in attributes, if you click on advanced, you can encrypt the contents to secure data, which means encrypt file only. I have to create a key for it. So what does it mean? I can add a password. I can manage a group of in Windows we have something called groups. On that group, the people who are part of that group can access certain documents, not that people out of the group cannot. So with it, I can access it. You can do it with WinRAR as well, right? You can set a password on it, and then ABC123. Okay. Encrypt file names, organize passwords. Okay, done. Okay. Because I'm already using it, because it's open here. So anyway, by doing this, the person who is trying to investigate it will have to use a proper software to crack my password in this case. I believe that's it for now. Thank you for your attention.